In this lecture, we will quickly discuss about WHOIS query. You need to have basic idea about WHOIS query search. It is a searchable database that contains the contact information for domain name registrants. This information can include the registrant's name, organization, email address, and physical address. The WHOIS database is maintained by the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. This tool is widely used by the hackers to gather the information about their target organization. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CH course, please do check the link available at the description.